Okay, let's continue our review for the integer test with problem number 9. In 3 plays, a football team gained 10 yards, lost 22 yards, and gained 15 yards. What is the team's total yardage for the 3 plays? Now that keyword total that I underlined tells me that I'm going to add the yards from each play, find the sum. So let's look at each play individually. First, the team gained 10 yards. Representing that as an integer, that would be positive 10, the gain of 10 yards. Then I'm going to add the yards for the next play. In the next play, they lost 22 yards. So as an integer, losing 22 yards would be negative 22. Then we're going to add the yards for the third play. They gained 15 yards. So I'm adding a positive 15. Now, order of operations, let's look at our operations. We have addition and addition. Don't get fooled by the parentheses because there's no operation inside the parentheses. The parentheses are just meant to separate this addition sign from this negative sign for that integer. So all we have is addition. We're going to go left to right. First I'm going to do positive 10 plus negative 22. We have a positive 10 and a negative 22. Those signs are different. When the signs are different, you find the difference. So we're going to subtract. 22 minus 10 is 12. Then we need to decide the sign of our answer. So look at the two integers. Which is further from 0? Negative 22 or positive 10? If you visualize a number line, you can see that negative 22 is much further from 0 than positive 10. So the sign of our answer will be negative. Now we've just taken care of that first operation. Now we're going to bring down the rest of our number sentence. Plus positive 15. And again, we're adding two integers with different signs, have a negative 12 and a positive 15. So when the signs are different, we find the difference. 15 minus 12 is 3. Now which integer is farther from 0? Positive 15 or negative 12? Positive 15 is farther from 0. So the sign of our answer is positive. So positive 3. So the team's total yardage for the 3 plays was 3 yards gained, or positive 3 yards. Okay, moving on to problem 10. Write an integer for each of these situations. Situation A, a temperature of 20 degrees above 0. Above 0 would be positive, so positive 20. A debt of $15. Debt is owing money. We did problems like this in class, so a debt would be a negative 15. A shark is 120 feet below sea level. Below sea level would be negative, so negative 120. A bank deposit of $10. Remember we learned about deposit and withdrawal? Deposit is money into the bank, so that's positive money. So positive 10. Deposit is positive. A bank withdrawal of $150 would be negative. Withdrawal is negative 150. It's money out of your bank account, so negative.